스티븐, 어젯밤 천둥 번개 소리 들었어요?
비도 많이 내렸잖아요.
오늘도 날씨가 흐리네요. 내일 날씨는 어떨까요?
비가 조금 내린대요. 우산 꼭 챙기세요.
Hi!
What's up?
Welcome back to another episode of
한국남매, where you get to learn to speak Korean and hear us talk about all kinds of things, Korean culture
Culture.
and customs. So join the family and hit that subscribe button. So what are we going to talk about
We're
today?
gonna talk about weather, 날씨,
Sunny, 맑다.
맑다,
Okay, good. What's rainy?
비가 내리다,
비가 내리다. Cloudy,
흐리다,
흐리다. Snowy,
눈이 내리다,
windy,
바람이 분다,
분다. foggy,
안개가 끼다. 한국은 사계절이 있어요. We have four seasons.
That's right, 4 seasons. Like Canada, same thing.
진짜?
Yeah, but there are some weather differences. We've got snow that it's up to like half the roof, and then over here, boom, snow. And there's a lot of snow. But here in Korea, it doesn't snow that much. In Gangwon-do, it
강원도.
snows quite a bit.
철원, like that city. The big issue in Korea is find it.
These days, with all the construction that's going on and neighboring countries too, the fine dust levels have just shot up.
I have a really quick question. When I was studying in America, people don't use umbrellas. I don't know why.
Right, I was going to talk about that. Okay, the use of umbrellas here in
It's like
Korea.
a shock.
It's shocking, right?
비가 오는데
Yeah.
미국 학생들은 우산을 안 써요.
그쵸. I think like we can't be bothered, no down all the time, so we just wear jackets. We're just so used to like being like pummeled with all kinds of weather conditions. But I noticed that when I came here on rainy days, I didn't use an umbrella, and all the kids would like make fun of me, like 선생님 우산 왜 안 챙기세요? 젖어요, 젖어서, 다 젖어서. I get like a little bit wet, like everyone around me, like, oh my God, you're wet, you got wet. And I was like,
Poor thing.
yeah, poor thing. And I'm like,
스티븐, 어젯밤 천둥 번개 소리 들었어요?
비도 많이 내렸잖아요.
오늘도 날씨가 흐리네요. 내일 날씨는 어떨까요?
비가 조금 내린대요. 우산 꼭 챙기세요.
스티븐, 어젯밤 천둥 번개 소리 들었어요?
비도 많이 내렸잖아요.
오늘도 날씨가 흐리네요. 내일 날씨는 어떨까요?
비가 조금 내린대요. 우산 꼭 챙기세요. So you'll see a lot of like older women on sunny days carrying these beautiful umbrellas.
양산 없어요?
What is a yangsan?
Sun umbrella, yeah.
Yeah, we don't have
없어요?
that. Korean people don't want to get tan.
Right. Yeah, I think that's the point. Right.
Where I'm from, it's like if you have a tan, it means like you're healthy, cool. Especially in the wintertime, if you come to school or to work with a tan. And I was like, where you been? You been to Florida? Did you go to Florida? Yeah, I got money to spend.
한국에서는 가끔 남자들도 써요. Not for just old women. I use that too. I'm not really, but
Man, I've never seen a man
not
use
much.
one.
Not much. 남자들 쓰죠, 마티?
No, he's not. No way. I've experienced some like pretty interesting weather here in Korea too. Rainy season. We don't have rainy season back home. So what
we
is
have rainy
rainy?
season. It's like July to August. 장마.
장마.
So it's like crazy rainy, like for the 2 weeks almost, you know.
And it's not the type of rain where you can like tough it out, like I don't need an umbrella, I can make it. You just step out of your front door and
Right.
yeah,
It's
you've
crazy
gone for a
too.
swim.
And we have 황사.
Bangsa,
It's
yeah.
like a yellow dust from China.
Yeah, the wind picks up, and then from the Gobi Desert, all the sand gets blown over to
Right,
Korea.
right.
Yeah, all the cars
Yellow.
get everything's yellow. That's right. And when it rains, like you'll see on the side of the road like this big thick like yellow slime going by. Yeah.
스티븐, 어젯밤 천둥 번개 소리 들었어요?
비도 많이 내렸잖아요.
오늘도 날씨가 흐리네요. 내일 날씨는 어떨까요?
비가 조금 내린대요. 우산 꼭 챙기세요. How do we ask about the weather?
날씨 어때요?
날씨 어때요? How's the weather?
How's the weather?
Okay. What about asking for another day's how's the weather tomorrow?
내일 날씨 어때요? Just put on 오늘, 내일, 모레. I think they're pretty much all.
That's it for today. From us,
To you,
한국
남매. Bye bye.
열공하세요.